Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add contact form in your Wix website. So let's begin. However, if you don't have a Wix account already, make sure to check the link in the video description below to get started with a free account. Now here I am in my Wix dashboard. So after we are in the dashboard, I'm just going to go and edit a site. So I have selected a site and I'm going to the dashboard. So after you have loaded the site dashboard, you can click on Edit Site to customize the website. And now I am entering the Wix website editor. Now before creating the form, we need to make sure that we have a Contact Us page for our website. So let's click on Page over here and let's see if we have a Contact Us page. So as you can see, we have many pages for our website. So let's head to the contact page. Alright, so as you can see, this is the contact us page and we already have a form loaded. However, if you don't have a contact us page, you can just expand pages section from over here and then click on manage pages. And then you can click add page right over here. And then you can select contact over here and select any contact page that you want, which will pre-contain a contact us form. However, I'm going to show you how you can create your own form and set up it. So I'm going to go and start with a blank page. So here we are, we have the new page over here. And now we are going to rename the new page. So after renaming, we're going to click done. And basically our page is now ready to customize. So now we are going to add a contact form in this page. Let's go and click on add elements from over here and then go to contact and forms. After heading to contact and forms, you are going to find a lot of forms right over here. So you can pick a form that you would like to use. So I'm going to go with this form. And now the form will be added to our page. So as you can see, this form is ready. We can drag the form anywhere we want. So I'm going to drag it to a suitable position and I want to place the form right over here. And now you can also click on edit form and edit the form accordingly. You can add new fields to your form if you want. So I'm also going to show you that. Alright, so in this form, we have first name, email, and subject. However, you might want their phone number so that we can get in contact with your customers. So I'm going to add a phone section. And here is the phone tab. And as you can see, this phone box don't have a text over here. So we are going to add a text for the phone box. To enter a text for the phone box, we are going to enable the placeholder text. And then, so we already have the placeholder text ready. So it says enter your phone number. You can change this also if you want. So as you can see, if I cut the number, it's just gone. But I do want the entire text, so I will keep it as it is. After that, I'm going to drag this phone over after subject, and then I'm going to save the form. So the form has been saved. Now I will close this page and the form should be here. As you can see, the phone box has been added in my forms. So now my form is completely ready, but what is this? My form is not fitting in the page, so I'm just going to expand the page a little bit. Yeah, now it looks good. So now our form is completely ready and fitting on our page. Now what we're going to do is get notifications for form fill up in our email. So to do that, we're going to go to settings right over here. And now you can customize your form even more by going to settings. So this form is contact form, and then we can go to layouts, and in layouts you can change the form padding like side padding, top and bottom padding, spacing between rows, and spacing between the columns. So you can edit everything from these options. After that, you will have design where you can change form background, form fields, headers, paragraphs, and buttons. And if I go to manage over here, then I will be able to manage the form notifications. Alright, so here we have the dashboard ready. So this is the form, and as you can see, it has 0 submissions currently. That is correct because we just created the form, it will have 0 submissions. So if we click on the 3 dots over here and click on view submissions, then we will be redirected to the submissions page. And from here, you will be able to see detailed submission view, like all of your submissions, spam submissions, and trashed submissions. So you can also export your submissions from here. And then if we head to the settings tab right over here, we will be able to see our email confirmation down below. So here we have notifications and automations. As you can see, new submissions received for contact form will also send us an email which is active. So make sure this option is active so that if someone submits the form, you'll get email notification and you'll be able to know that someone submitted your form, so you can respond quickly. So now we are going to save this option and try out our form. Let's close this. I'm going to click publish on my website. So after publishing, I'm now going to visit site. So if we go to more over here, we will see Contact Us version 2, which we created right now. Now in Contact Us version 2, you'll be able to see this form. So I'm going to fill up the form. So after submitting all the details, we are going to click send right over here. And it says thanks for submitting. Now let's go ahead and check our email that we received a notification or not. So as you can see, we have got a notification in our email, which is 0 minutes ago. Submission summary is right over here. So the email also summarizes my submission and tells me all the details that is submitted in the form. So guys, that is how you can add a contact us form in your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.